So in this session, we are taking one simple question from CMA US part 2 and we are going to solve this in this particular video. So I want you guys to watch this video till the end if you feel like this particular question is something which you look out for, and this kind of target costing, target pricing. Through target, we understand how much sales is there. There is some missing amounts in here which we need to find out from this particular question. Watch this session till the end because this is how we would be doing it in our classes also, main classes also. And one more thing, that I know that I am a bit late on posting a video on my channel CMA tutor because I am taking more live online classes, so you guys need to join into that live online classes or join into the recorded classes because it comes with a whole package. It has, classes, doubt solving, it has the introductory sessions also, the basic session also, it also has the mock examinations. In fact, everything which you require to pass, that's included in our upcoming new package. So I want you guys to know about it. It's going to launch up soon. Until then, you guys can be in touch with me and get started with it. But for now, let's concentrate on this particular question. So whenever we have a question like this, we should go through the requirement first, like the amount of sales required to earn 8% after tax return on its investment would be. So he's asking what amount we need to earn so that we pay tax also and we get 8% on our investment. So let's just read the question first to have proper clarity. Then Zipper company invested 300,000. So this is basically his investment. When that's his investment, he needs 8% on that particular investment. Okay, in a new machine to produce cones for the textile industry, Zipper's variable cost are 30%. Okay, 30% are the variable cost. Fine enough. And its fixed cost is $600,000. That's great. Zipper has an effective income tax rate of 40%. 40% is the effective income tax rate. And now I need to find out how much amount he should earn so that he's able to pay 40% income tax also, and he should be able to earn 8% of the return of 300,000. Now the question is, how much is the sales? But sales is not given to us. Sales is not given to us. Even the variable cost is not given to us. It's just given 30% of the selling price. Fixed cost is given to us, and fixed cost is given to us. Effective income tax rate is given to us. Now what we have to do, we have to do all the reverse calculations, basically making an equation and getting this answer solved. Okay, on seeing the options, what do you feel? क्या हो सकता है आंसर? क्या हो सकता है ऑप्शंस देखकर? ए बी सी डी, ऐसे कभी मत करना. ऑप्शंस देख के क्या हो सकता है आंसर कभी मत सोचना. डू नॉट सी द ऑप्शन इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शन देखो ही नहीं. अगर बराबर तरीके से बैठ गया आंसर तो वो सही है. चलो, 300,000 we are investing, 8% is the return. So basically I need to get 300,000 into 8%. I'm shaking, right? 300,000 into 8% is something which I need to get. And what's there? What's my variable cost and selling price? The selling price I don't have. So what I can do is I can make, like, my sales as something A, or I'll just take it as X would be best. So my variable cost is 30%. Variable cost is 30%. I hope you guys are able to see it, that my variable cost is 30%. So my contribution will be what? 70%. Okay, basically 0.70. So what I can do is 0.70 into the sales amount. Okay, I don't know what this, I'm just taking it as A, minus 600,000 because that's my fixed cost. So this is nothing but my, let me just explain that to you guys, that what is this. This is my contribution. This is my fixed cost. This is my required profit. And also there's one more thing, I need to get it after tax of 40%. Now when it is after tax of 40%, what do I need to do? I need to divide it by, okay, this divided by 40% it is, right, 0.6. Basically 1 minus tax rate is 40%, so 1 minus tax rate is 60%, so it is 0.6. so let me just take up a calculator. I hope this equation is fine with you guys. 0.7a 70 or 0.7a is one the same, minus 600,000 is equals to 300,000 into 8% divided by 0.6. so let me just do that first. I'm doing it on a calculator for you guys. I hope you guys all have a calculator. First I'll do 300,000 into 0.08, which equals here 24,000, and then divided by 0.6. okay, 24,000 divided by 0.6, that's 1 point. Then this 0.7 a or minus 600,000 remains the same only, and then we have a equal to in between. Then this 24,000 I'll just divide it by 0.6, I get 40,000. okay, 40,000 here, and this is 0.7 a minus 600,000. so what I can do here is I'll just make this 0.7 a here is equals to 40,000 plus 600,000. so if I just do a plus 600,000, which is plus 600,000, if I do a plus 600,000, what will happen? Simple now. Why do I take all the steps again and again? Just put this as 640,000. okay, then what I'll do, this 0.7 a is here, right? so let me just remove this 0.7 here and put this 0.7 here, divided by 0.7. okay, divide by 0.7. so 640,000 divided by 0.7 is 914,285.714. I have my option here. Cross multiplication or just doing some cross verification, is that right? Anything did we miss out? I don't think so. This is some basic problem. If I have to do it by myself, I won't do all this working and stuff. I'll just scribble it fast in my working note and get this done. I hope that you guys are also able to do this with me. If you are able to do this with me, very good. If you are not able to do this with me, then it means that you should go through some conceptual clarity, conceptual classes of this, and then come up towards this type of question. So you should attend classes, whether it's live, recorded, offline, whatever it is. Go attend classes and then come back here. That's what I would suggest. So I hope that this particular session was helpful for you. I would try posting more videos in here. Until then, if you are someone like who is seriously giving the examinations at the earliest, then I would suggest you to join my sessions rather than waiting for my YouTube video. YouTube video is going to come once in a while or something like that. I'll try posting. I always say that I will try, but what happens is it becomes delayed because I already take classes live, online, offline. So better join into the classes. I'll see you guys in there. So alright then, see you in the next session.